Happy birthday to you. Good morning, my love. Morning, baby. How was your sleep last night? She slept really well. Yeah. Where are you going? Huh? Mara, say good morning to everyone. Say good morning to everyone. Good morning, guys. So we're off to the mall. Hi. Baby, did you have a good sleep? Yeah, so we're just going to do some shopping. But first, we gotta have breakfast. So just hoping that we have coffee club at the mall, because we haven't had coffee club's like our favorite cafe. We like the Southern fried chicken strips from there, as well as the eggs Benedict. So I hope they have, I fingers crossed they have coffee club. But yeah. Yeah, what? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. So we're walking to the mall, which is about a 16-minute walk. I think if we catch a taxi, it'll be like 10 minutes. But why waste that money when you can walk? Hey, why waste the money when you can freaking walk? It's right there.
It's not about money, it's just a nice walk.
Yeah, and also like enjoying this. You get to enjoy this view. Nice. Hello.
Yeah.
She loves going for walks. We don't really go for walks. We don't really do walks at where we stay here, because it's a bit dangerous, which is not a good thing. Where are you going? Oh, photo. Oh yeah. Oh, look. Check that out. Oh, look at that. Look at that side. Looks like it's gonna hit the other side. Oh, perfect. Baby, are you having a photo shoot? Oh.
Happy? Yeah.
Enjoying the ride? She hates being bothered. She just wants to be on the shoreline and enjoy. Oh, this is school. But yeah, we're under this bridge. I don't know what it's called. And we're making our way to the mall. I believe it's somewhere. How far is it now? How far is it? 10 minutes! Oh my goodness. So I think this is where you are. Right, so that's the museum. is the museum. What is that face? Does anyone else have this struggle? I am trying to take nice photos of us, like, you know, like cute family photos, you know, with this beautiful view, because I don't know when we're coming back here, but these two, they're just not cooperating with me. Baby? You need to take photos, lovey, for the memories, lovey. Even Amaya's not having it.
Don't bother her.
Oh God.
Bother this new.
Family photos is a mission to get through. It's a really good walk. Good exercise. Hey, baby. Yeah.
Doors opening.
Oh, sorry. That's okay. So that's where we're gonna have dinner tonight with my brother and his family. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I can see it. Where's my girl? She's such an observer. She just observes. Just sit there and observe everything. Oh my girl. I have to breastfeed her as soon as we get there. Oh yeah. So the mall is over there, but this is another shopping center. Oh yeah, nice. Wait, oh, it's like a... Made it. And my favorite section. So we just finished having breakfast. Now we're off to get us some outfits for dinner tonight. So just got myself a top from Kukai. Baby's sleeping. I feel like we've been here for ages. How are you feeling?
Tiring.
Yeah, so where was the eyebrow lady? Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're like doing everything in a rush because we have a dinner to go to at 6 p.m. Oh no, 7:30. So yeah. Oh yeah. woke up and was still shopping. Hi, Lovey. So much noise, eh? Tell them to be quiet. Tell them to be quiet. So I pretty much, oh no, baby's got an outfit now. Baby's all sorted. I just need to get myself a pants because I don't have a pants at the moment. I got a top and what else did I get? Shoes. Show you my shoes. So I got Bergens. I love Bergens. I got Bergens at home. I deliberately left my Bergens at home so I can buy new ones. And yeah, now we're looking for Cubby's outfit. And I just need a pants to wear my top, you know, the top that I got from Kupak. What else? The cake. So we did pick up. The place that we ordered the cake from is in Ride or Reed? Ride makes sense. So it's in Ride, sorry. So it's in Ride. But I just found out that it is 25 to 30 minutes away from here. I should have done delivery. So I had to get an Uber to pick it up for us and then drop it off to the hotel. Oh, it's a lot, man. You know what I've learned today is to plan where to go and know the places before you go to a completely new city, you know, that you've never been to. So that's what I've learned today. We both learned that today. So yeah. Are you enjoying your cookie? Huh? Bobby's just getting his shopping done. Yeah, because I. Yeah. Tell your dad to hurry up. You wanna dance? You wanna dance? The music is coming. Yeah? Dance? Dance? She loves to dance. Dance, baby. Is the song not fast enough for you? Yeah? So you're shopping Sun now? Yeah? You got your full outfit sorted? You. Cake is here. Wow. Hey guys, so we just got to the hotel. Amira. Yeah, she's just she's chilling right now. Just letting her. I was just finished feeding her. But yeah, Cubby's just going to get a haircut. We are pretty surprised that we finished our shopping early. I thought we'll be, rushing to go dinner tonight. Cubby's just going to get a haircut. Me and baby are just in a room, just, chilling. And yeah, it is, I think, I'm recording on my phone, so I can't really see the time. 3:59, so it is 4 o'clock, 4 to 5. So we've got about 3.5 hours till dinner, so I can't wait. We only had breakfast this morning. Cubby had a sandwich and I had like a, those basic ham and cheese croissant, and I had a coffee, which is keeping me awake right now. Our town was so crazy, man. Like, the mall area here in Sydney is insane. Like, the crowd, I've never seen it like that. Like, that was actually my first, apart from India. Well, obviously India is always crowded everywhere. But man, the mall area is really crowded, and it's only Tuesday, so I think a lot of the people works in the CBD area. Let me show you guys Amara's birthday cake. So this is Amara's birthday cake. It's from this cake shop here in Sydney. I believe it is one of the most popular cake shop here in Sydney, and they do it very differently. I think it's Korean, or I don't know, but yeah, if you look it up on TikTok, you'll see a lot of their cake variety. It is quite popular here in Sydney, so that's why I went with them. I can't really open it. I don't want to open it right now, but I'll show it to you guys when we get to dinner. How beautiful my lovey looks. This is her outfit for the dinner. Aww, aren't you so cute? How beautiful is my daughter?
Put this one in balance.
Baby, hi. Do you like your French? I try to put all of her.
Yeah.
I try to put all of her hairs up, but some of the hairs just can't make it to here. Yeah, look at this nice outfit. Ground floor. So we're walking to the over there. What do you call that? Sky City or something like that? Yeah, Sky, whatever it is. Let's go this way. So it's gonna take us about 15 to 20 minutes. She loves the stroller ride. Hi. So Amaya is taking a nap right now. I don't know how long. Yeah, we're just waiting for my brother so we can all go up together. Can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. What are you saying? Hi, Keilani. We can leave it here. Oh, she's sleeping, yeah. So. What are you having? What are you having? Lemon lime pita for us.
doing now.
How's your ice cream? Yummy? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Hey, Pee-Pee. Birthday girl just woke up. Myra. Lonnie.
They sponsor the, like, is it a manufacturer?
Come take photo with baby.
You know, like, because they don't sponsor like a cookie, but they will be so big. But they sponsor like a detective.
Happy birthday, dear Aya. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Thank you, everyone.
Sama.
If you like to take a whole family picture, I can help you with that. Please. Before we count, okay?
Kamala.
Oh, it's cute. Indian way. She'll feed it to all of you guys.
Take a bite.
That's the cake. What's the most?
Thank you.
Is that yours? Say thank you. Say thank you. Put it inside. Say धन्यवाद. बहुत धन्यवाद.
Old carpet ones. If you have an old car, they don't want to steal that one. Yeah, so they were close. Yeah, so I put
Did you
like
enjoy your birthday dinner?
and just
Did you?
hardly use just for shopping.
Yeah.
So there's nothing to do.
A lot of people would drive to another
What a nice outfit you got
somewhere
on.
like hours away.
Her outfit, we got it from
There's a few mines around there.
Sarah.
Coal mines.
Yes, Sarah. They have really nice kids clothing there. Oh, she needs you. She needs someone to play with. You know she doesn't have anyone to play with at home? Yeah. It's just me. It's just me and her. She just plays with by herself. Who's that? Who is that? Is that your sister? No? Hi guys. So just dropped off my brother and his family. Dinner was so good, eh?
Yeah, was good.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, that's good.
Amira woke up halfway, so that was good. She got to enjoy dinner. Yeah, dinner was so nice. I would recommend you going for dinner with your families or your loved ones, or celebrate your whoever's birthday up there. It was so good. Customer service was amazing. Food was delicious. Baby's cake was delicious as well. No. Yeah, everything was good. You know, it's just nice when you have like a family member in a city, you know, like you get to enjoy it with them. Especially if it's like a kid's birthday, it's good to have family members over. Hey, what do you think about that? Yeah. So yeah, we're. Do you want to do her seatbelt?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. She hates the seatbelt, but we try and force it. Hey! Oh my love. Oh my love. Oh my love. Oh, you got on my pants. Where are we going? Oh, I was like, where are we? Honestly, I'm getting used to the walk now. Ooh. Ice cream. Should I have ice cream? No, it's not.
After this cake and all this.
Yeah, no. It's alright. It's alright. Chill. Relax. She wants to come on.
Yeah, because I put her back.
She wants to be carried. Yeah, she wants to be carried. And I'm just so used to having her in my arms. So I don't know. I don't know if it's a mom thing or whatever, but yeah. So we're doing that pretty walk back to the hotel. Sofietel's like the looks like jet here, eh? It's like look at the other hotels, like down there. And Sofietel's right up there.
That's how they made it.
Yeah, like I don't see Hilton.
Oh, it's in the inside.
Inside where?
On the other street.
Yeah, my God. What do you call it again?
The sea life.
No, what's Sydney known for?
Oh, opera.
Yeah, the Opera House.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should go there.
We go on Thursday.
I don't think we'll have time tomorrow because we're gonna do sea life and then.
We have to explore the hotel as well. We've never been to.
Oh yeah, we can do that tomorrow as well. We have to. Oh my gosh, Wednesday. We have one day. I love her outfit. Pretty outfit.
Of course, you are a mom. You will love it.
What a pretty outfit. She's singing. Are you singing, my love? Oh. And I give you all of you, all of me. I don't know, me and you, whatever it is. I give you all of me. Huh? Are you full now? didn't eat much, did you? What did you have? 3 plates. So what was your first plate?
Just had like Indian food first time, and then I have a seafood.
Why do you eat Indian? You know, when you go to these kind of places, you don't eat your own, you know, culture of food. Like, try other cuisine, you know? You know what I'm saying? Like, you eat Indian, that makes them look bad because now they're gonna think I'm not being racist or anything because I love my Indian food. But, you know, now I'm gonna think they don't like their food, you know, the food that they prepared, you know, the hams, the salmon, the chickens, the seafood. But I saw you had the oysters. Did you like the oysters? It was too small, eh? Like baby oysters. Yeah. So we're at a hotel now.
I'll bet you guys just say,
I love this hotel. We should chill at the lobby. The lobby area. So Amara loves to dance and she has a favorite song, so I'm gonna show you. We're gonna play the song and she's gonna dance for you. Like me. She loves this song. Just look at her facial expressions. Move, guys. Good dance. Your birthday dancer?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.